Have you ever felt like you're praying and praying pero walang nangyayari? Parang tahimik ang Diyos? Parang wala siyang sagot? And in the silence, you start to wonder, Lord, andyan ka pa ba? I want to tell you something today. Even in silence, God is working. Si Joseph, ilang taon nakakulong. Si David, nagtatago sa kuweba. Si Hannah, umiiyak sa templo, walang anak. Pero lahat sila, pinakinggan ng Diyos. Hindi man agad, pero hindi niya sila iniwan. Maybe God is not answering right now because He's preparing something bigger than what you're praying for. Sometimes, God's not yet is His way of saying, I have something better. Maybe you're not being punished. Maybe you're being prepared. So don't give up. Don't stop praying. Because silence doesn't mean absence. It means something sacred is happening behind the scenes. And when the time is right, God will make everything beautiful. Hindi mo man nakikita ang kilos niya ngayon, pero tandaan mo ito. He sees you, He hears you, He loves you. And soon, you will realize that even in the silence, you were never alone.